All right, all right, all right. Okay. Chirag says just 100 USD tried Grok's 300 USD plan. I do not want to end up being the broke kid. And no, I don't think that Grok 4 is really that good at coding. I think Elon is just bluffing. All right. So, I have been hearing a lot of good stuff about Claude Code. I have been hearing that it's better than Cursor. I have absolutely no idea. I have been very disconnected with all of that stuff for the very long time. I mean, the benchmarks, I don't care at this point. Like the benchmarks, like I think we are at this point that we have hit a ceiling, and it's not a permanent feeling. I believe ceiling. I believe it could go beyond that, but for now we are just barely getting above and above. Cursor posts the creators of Claude Code, so it must be okay. Yeah, okay. So you are you're really trying to make me not purchase this now. I absolutely forgot about that. All right, all right. I have made up my mind. It's gonna be only for 1 month, not more than that. No more, no less. Let's go. Okay, so I just wanna first go ahead and check out the limits and stuff. I think it's in Claude Code limits. If I search on Google, I will get it. Yeah, I have read a lot of Reddit stuff about it, but in the max plan, if you get the $100 month plan, you get approximately 50 to 100 prompts with Claude Code, and the 20x one is even more. I want to try it out with like $100 a month. I don't know if I'm even gonna use this or not, but like people are hitting limits if they use Opus, and I like when I used Opus in Cursor, I didn't really find much of a difference. So I probably will stick to Sonnet and see if I could get like unlimited usage. So the way how it works is like every 5 years the limit gets reset, and you can simply just go ahead and use it again. And I have seen people like getting $200 worth of tokens in just 5 years, so it's automatically worth it for them. So I'm gonna try it out. All right, so I'm gonna do it right now. Of course, I'm not gonna do it here. I have to like, of course, put my card details and stuff. So I'm gonna, okay, so get max plan. Here goes nothing. Yeah, 5x1. Oh, oops, okay. That was not ideal at all. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Alright, subscribe. Why does it need my address? Are they going to send me swags? Please do. Okay, the final step. Just a minute. Oh, so I'm getting charged $18 more. Great. I love this. But I made up my mind, so I'm just gonna do it. Verifying payment method. Okay. Welcome to Max. I've done it. Alright, I okay. It straight up shows my payment details. Anyways, now I think I already have Claude Code installed. Let me just open my terminal. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, the thing which I want to build in this video is a browser based on Electron. I know it sounds dumb. You probably should not be doing this, but I'm inspired by something called as Flow browser, you know. This is based on Electron, and I don't know how many people use it, but if they can get away with creating a browser with Electron, I can definitely. So if you check the GitHub, they say that it's based on Electron. Yeah, built on Electron. So I'm gonna try this out. First of all, I'm gonna change to a safer browser now, and I'm gonna bring in my terminal here. I'm gonna switch directories. What should I call it? I'm just gonna call it. Yeah. You know, my choices are questionable, but like, I don't want to be building Chromium on such a laptop which doesn't work. You know, like it dies when I'm streaming and stuff. All right. So what should I name it? Just give me some suggestions in the chat if you can. I'm thinking of something. How about? Okay, I'm very bad at naming stuff. I could go on and sit for hours thinking about a name. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna go with that better auth kind of way, and I'm just gonna say it better browser. I already do have a better browser here. I tried it before. Just bought Warp Turbo $50 plan. I have heard great things about Warp. I have not used it. I don't know why I don't like it. It's not like it's definitely on me. I probably should use it, but yeah. First of all, just let me remove everything I have. Because I have tried using this with cursor, so I'm pretty sure I have better browser. Yeah. I'm gonna remove this. No, not this. Okay, I need to create. I keep forgetting. And my typing is slow because I'm not used to using this keyboard. First of all, I'm also gonna open cursor because I wanna see what happens. Why free plans are fine to me? I barely use the AI features. I mean, yeah, I don't need the AI features to be honest. I just find Ghosty it just works fine. I don't really need anything else. I don't know why, but like my Mac doesn't like Warp for some reason. There was a time where I used to brag that my Mac is the fastest in the world, but now I cannot because it has its own like nakhre, you call it in Hindi. Okay. Now, first of all, I wanna open Claude Code here first because like I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need to authorize it and something like that. Okay, dark mode is fine. Claude account. So it is doing authorize. It's open on my other monitor, and it's done. Login successful. Perfect. Enter to continue. Okay, I know Claude can make mistakes. All right. I mean, yeah, just use the recommended ones. There is nothing here, so yeah, just do whatever you want. Oh yeah, I can connect this to ID now, right? So okay. You know what? I'm just gonna connect this to ID. I think I had installed Claude here, right? Akshay, thank you. Akshay is my big brother. If you don't know, thank you, man. Thank you so much. All right. Now I am gonna say run Claude Code. Pretty sure it's gonna open the terminal here and do it for me. This is way too slow. Okay, ID connected. So okay, the first of all I wanna see like what model it's like on right now. Select it's on default, so it's probably gonna do Opus first and then it's gonna switch to Sonnet. Typically I don't like to use Opus a lot because I don't find a lot of difference, but I am open to trying it out again, and I want to see how much Opus I can use before it just says that you are not allowed to use more. So I'm just gonna set it to default, and I'm just gonna say I wanna build I'm not that good at prompting, I'm just gonna admit it. I wanna build a browser using Electron. Check flow browser. What is the URL? Okay, I probably should just put this here. Can it read URLs though? sorry for that. Alright. It is also built using Electron. I want to build a browser named better browser. Which browser are you using? Is it Chrome? No, it's Dia. You know what? Like, I'm not really amazed with Dia, to be honest. I don't know. It's just Chrome, you know. But I don't know, man. I'm tired of Chrome as well. Like, my browser situation is day by day it's going worse and worse. So that's one of the reason I'm doing this, because if I can, like, the only thing I care about right now is aesthetics, to be honest, and Apple Passkey support. If I can somehow get it working here, probably that's the greatest thing I could ever do. I want to build a browser named Better Browser. It should have all the basic browser functionality and should also support extensions and Chrome Web Store. I want to see what it does though. Okay. Baking. Can I zoom in? Okay, I cannot zoom in inside the terminal for whatever reason. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, just fetch whatever you want to do. Got up off having troubles nowadays. Yeah, man, I saw your tweet. Take care. Okay. I mean, okay, it has its own to-do list. For your context, I have never used Claude Code before. This is my first time using it. Just do whatever you want to do here. I don't care. Use whatever commands you want to do. Okay, so it has this. Okay, it has settings. Why did it create a new? Why would it do that? No and tell. Oh, I love this. No and tell Claude what to do differently. I can, like, literally stop it here and tell it to do something. Like, I don't want to use npm. I would much rather use bun. So use bun for packages. You know what? I also want to say something. Use bun for packages, and also use don't create a better browser folder. The root folder is this. The project folder. I don't want it to do something to, like, folder is just alright. Hey Arindam, how are you doing? Alright. I just asked you to not do that. I just asked you to put it outside. Why would you do this? Okay. Anyways. Rich people trying rich tools. Nah, man. Like, I'm probably never gonna subscribe to this again, you know. This is my first and last time probably trying out Claude Code, like, for this month. Let me create the project structure. Yeah, do whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna let the fact slide that it created an entire new folder here. Open change. Do you want to make this edit in TS config? Yeah, I'm just gonna wipe code, like, do whatever you want. I just tried Grok 4, then realized Super Grok works. Realized only Super Grok works, rest are very bad. Do you have the premium plus? Because I don't have access to Grok 4. And to be honest, like I am done so much with like okay, I'm just looking to see if it's asked something to me, but I am so done with Grok. The moment Elon Musk said that it works better than Cursor, I was done. I didn't want to try it out. I used to buy operator. Yeah, okay, all right. Elon Musk had this tweet that just copy paste your code inside Grok 4 and just do it that way, and it's better than Cursor. And I was like, nah, man, I cannot take this man seriously anymore. Wipe code, I don't like to wipe code, but today's whatever. I wanna push the limits and I wanna see how quickly I get to the limits. I had access from Vox subscription. Yeah. I have never used OpenRouter. I directly, like, the only time I have ever used an API was OpenAI's official API, and that was only for a like hobby project. To be honest, I'm really falling behind with all of this AI stuff. A lot is going on. Really don't have the time to explore, but today I thought that if I'm gonna try out Claude Code, I might as well just go live. Yeah, I have seen a lot of tweets about like Nebius AI Studio from you. I might actually try it out. I think it's something like it's also a model provider, like okay, so it like just curates all the models and gives you an API for that. Am I correct, or is it more than that? All right, okay, I get it. Which agent it is, like Sonnet for Opus? It's, I'm pretty sure it's running on Opus right now, because like on the default one I have seen on Reddit, it runs on Opus first, and after that it turns, like after 20% of usage on like $100 plan, it turns back to Sonnet, and that way it works. If I just exclusively use Sonnet, it probably might run more than what it should be. Happy to give you some free credits, man. Let me know when you try it. Yeah, I will definitely try it, and I'm also gonna see if I can create some content around it. Really, like, gonna up my AI game, you know. Sounds cheesy, but have to do it. Okay, it's just going. At this point, I'm pretty sure Cursor would have given up. Like, at this point, Cursor would have just called it a day and say that, hey, this has just finished. I don't think there's anything else we need to do. But it's just going. I haven't tried out Cursor's new to-do list feature. I don't know how it works. Maybe it matches what Claude Code is doing. But it's also like nerfing the model, limiting its context and stuff, unless you're using Max, which is obviously pretty expensive. I'm trying to improve my thumbnail game. Yeah, man, like, yeah, it's pretty. I mean, thumbnails is something which I struggle with a lot too. It takes a lot of time, and just recently I've been getting a lot of experience with video editing, and I hope that I get some with like thumbnails and stuff. Now, I really used to hate video editing, but after like my new role, I'm really enjoying it. It's something like I really look forward to every single day, and hope. Okay, bun run build. Okay, just do whatever you want. I was also gonna build a tool for like generating AI thumbnails, like not the image generation model, but I was gonna create a canvas system which was gonna do it. And I mean, I'm still gonna try it. Probably gonna make it a SaaS or something. Probably gonna be zero MRR for forever, but I can at least try, you know. Teach me video editing. I mean, I am not really that good. I enjoy doing it, but man, I think we should sync. I think we should hop on a call one day and we should try it out. Okay. It says it's done. So let's try it out. So I need to go into better browser again and bun run. Bear with me because this is not my regular keyboard. Okay, what? Okay, since I don't know what it has actually done, I have to pass this error right now. Yeah, Just let me know when you're free and we can talk about it. It doesn't need to be a long call, to be honest. Let Claude Code to create thumbnail generation application. I did it with the cursor in the last stream. It really did work well, so it's probably gonna outperform here as well. We can try it out, you know what? But since I've already started this, I wanna see how it does. Let's see. I don't like that how I cannot like just manage this specific terminal zoom. I need to like entirely zoom in here. Oh, something opened up. Something opened. Hold on. All right. Is it loading? What's happening? Okay, my stream is gonna die because this is. Why does it run dev commands by its own? I don't like that. Hold on, just give me a sec. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna quit unnecessary applications. I do not need Discord right now. I cannot even move this thing. I'll just quit this. Yeah, but okay, so it just found out the issue itself. Probably something to do with the code. I'm pretty sure it cannot sneak into my Electron application and see what's going on unless there's an MCP for that. Okay, something opened up again. But it would not move. Like, I would appreciate if it would move a little bit. I cannot literally move it anywhere. But I have an error in the console. Like the screen is entirely blank, but I do have this. Okay. What is it doing exactly? Okay. I just pressed escape and it just went away. I think there is a package out there which allows me to see the Claude Code usage, right? I want to see. I think it's CC usage or something like that. Oh, okay. You can simply just use bunx. Bunx CC usage. Okay, so till now I have used like 2.60 like worth of API credits. Okay, it's fine. I thought it would be a little bit more, but we have something here ready. I'm gonna bring it here. We have a very simple browser here. Can I create new tabs? Can I go to my YouTube channel here? youtube.com/c/Atharvadevastula. Does it work? No, it does not. Really great. Okay, so maybe x.com works. No, it does not. Okay. I can't describe this error. And other than that, can I paste this inside of the terminal? I want to see that. I need to escape this all the time. Okay, so I cannot paste images here, which is annoying. Probably there's a way to do it. Not really sure. Paste images, Claude Code. Control V on Mac. That's not it. Okay, what? I need to do Control V. Okay, what? Why would you do that? Okay, anyways. This visual error needs to be solved. Additionally, when I navigate to some URL, it briefly for a sec, goes there and returns back to Google. Make changes so that it works properly. And I want the tabs to have a max width, and once enough tabs are in the top bar, I want them to shrink. Similarly to how it works in Chrome. Let's see if it fixes this. So far I'm liking it. It's doing way more than cursor. Like already, like if I was using cursor, I would have to shout at it 5 different times to do it. It's just a waiting game for now. I really wish I could just zoom into this. I don't want to like zoom into the entire editor. I probably can do it. I don't know. Let's see. Can I zoom into this terminal though? I cannot. Just annoying. I'm just gonna search it. VS Code zoom into terminal. I don't want to zoom into the entire thing. Oh yeah. Stack Overflow has this thing for AI now. Okay, I need to like literally go into the settings for this. Where was the settings? How am I like forgetting where the settings were? Okay, it was here, but I'm pretty sure it's cursor settings. Windsurf is acquired by Google. I don't know exactly. Like I woke up to like a bunch of Windsurf tweets like about Windsurf, and I was like, what is happening? What happened overnight? Who died? I was like so confused. Like everything is under so wraps. Like nobody's telling anything official. So like there's no way for us to know. As far as we are concerned, we don't even know if they were gonna be acquired by OpenAI. To be honest, like they had nothing on their website or nobody tweeted anything, so we never know. But it's like, I mean, I have never been a fan of them anyways. Windsurf. Okay, so I can do one run dev. Wow, okay. I mean, it's an easy fix. You probably need to just install concurrently, but like I'm just not gonna do it myself. Why would I do it? We are on a vibe coding session. We don't do this here. Google really, I thought OpenAI bought it. I mean, nothing is official right now. I think it's not a normal acquisition. I think what's happening is like the CEO is just joining Google, and I don't know what they're up to. Maybe they're building their own thing, and like if they do it, I think it might force Claude Code to do something. I'm sorry, it might force Anthropic to like build their own IDE and stuff. All right, is it done? Okay. There needs to be a sound because like I definitely like at least they should like remove this. I mean, of course you can queue, but like there should be a configuration where I can just simply remove this if it's working, so that I know that it has done doing its stuff. Okay, the browser is open. Uncaught reference error. Global is not defined. Very good. this. All right. I mean, so far I am like impressed. I just want to see if it's worth it or not. Like, I don't want to burn through money and just realize that I'm not using it on its full potential, you know. And I don't want to be that guy like who uses like you overuses it and like I don't have anything left to work. Like, not no limits left for me to work on anything. So gotta see that. Burn and def, okay. It's still not defined. What do you mean? The thing with like Claude Code, which I do not like, is I mean it's out of the control to be honest. But like how you're gonna like access how you can like revert stuff. Like you need to use Git. Okay, so we are officially here. We have reached. Can you let me take a screenshot? We have reached the opus limit, which is I think it is a bummer to be honest. Like so early. But it's fine. I want to see how much I can still push it. I don't know when I started. Maybe I can like check through this video and stuff like. Okay, I might have started like around 9 p.m. Right now it's 9:21. I think you can tell Claude to play notification when prompting for changes. I wondered about that too. Can it do that? I don't think it can do that, right? Okay, let me just like paste this error for now and then I can like check stuff here. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. I think there should be something, you know. Maybe it's a custom configuration. I know it's like trying to load the browser from like local thing. It's not good, but like at this point I'm like just do it at this point. Can it reload stuff? Yeah, it can. So can I go to my channel? Okay, I can. Oh, and I'm live. Really good. It still hasn't removed this stupid whatever it is. It did a very bad job at like styling this. I wanna still take a screenshot of this and ask it to fix this. Now it's on Sonnet. I can still use Opus, but I wanna see how far I can go. So if I keep using Opus, I'm gonna be done with like one. I believe we can put it in the local Claude file or globally. Can it play a sound? I'm not really sure about it, to be honest. We can search about it, you know. Image one, this Mac OS. Hey Austin, man, how you doing? Brave trying to build a browser. I mean, this is not technically a browser; it's just an electron vapor. I mean, using electron for the right thing, you know. It is meant to be a browser, so I'm building a browser using that. So don't cancel me for my takes. This is stupid. Probably should not be doing this. This macOS functionality. What do I call it? Like icons, I guess, are overlapping. Make sure to deal with it, I guess. I don't know what to do with it, to be honest. If I was doing it, maybe offset it. Tried to build one with Swift and WebKit some time ago. Drove me crazy for a few hours. Never touch. I mean, I don't know why would you try to do that, to be honest. It's just, it's a headache. Like if I try to build Chromium on this laptop, like let alone any good laptop, it's probably gonna struggle a lot. It needs to be done on like really good machines, and it takes a lot of time to do that. Curiosity, I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm doing this out of pure curiosity. I probably should not be doing this. Probably just stick to Dia, but like, I don't know why I'm doing this, to be honest. As a matter of fact, I don't know why I got Claude Code. I literally do like 2 hours of code in like 1 week. My role is not really that focused on coding. So I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Does it have hot reloads? Oh yeah, it does. Perfect. So I don't need to like keep reloading it. The next thing I'm gonna try out, like one thing I really liked about cursor and Claude combination was it was really good with UIs and stuff. I wanna ask it, okay, what is this menu though? Okay, it's non-functional for now, but I wanna ask it to make this beautiful, like modern and stunning and whatever. Make the, okay, not this. Revamp the entire browser UI to make it look. The keyword I like to use is aesthetically pleasing. It just works. Unique and modern. Do not use, yeah, I should probably ask it to do vertical tabs too. Do not use gradients. Keep a dark theme and use colors wisely. Make it look better than any browser out there. Also add support for vertical tabs like Dia, for example. Not Dia, like Arc, for example. Dia's sidebar is nerfed. It's stupid. It's the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Like Arc for this browser. Keep it under toggle within the 3 dots menu. I don't know what to call it. I just call it 3 dots menu. Let's see how it does stuff. Can you like actioning? I probably should start a new chat for this, right? Like I am reaching the context, like it's gonna be using a lot of tokens right now. I'm probably gonna reach limit way quicker. Probably should start a new chat. Just gonna wait. Let's see if tossed and switch wish can be granted. Nobody's ever gonna use this anyways. Have you tried the open code one as well? No, I am extremely like I don't want to go to the route of like API pricing, if that makes any sense. It could go out of control any moment. I don't want to be on that side of plate. Add Chrome extension support. I actually did that, I asked it to do it. I don't know if it has done it, to be honest. Oh, okay. This looks already good. Chrome extension store. Let me try to add Grammarly. Switch to Chrome. Okay. It hasn't done it. I asked it to do it, but it hasn't. So that's that. Let me just put it into a different thing so that it's going to be easier. Add Chrome extensions support, because like the Flow browser, which I showed you before, I don't know, Torsten, if you're here before, but like Flow browser is a browser which is based on Electron. It does have Chrome extension support, and it also has a built-in ad blocker. So that's why I'm like really trying to make this happen. So if it works, I might actually switch to it. I have queued the message. Let's see. If you guys have any more ideas, I really want to hear those. Let's try to queue more stuff into this, you know. Oh, damn. I actually forgot to tweet this out that I was live. Okay, whatever. I might do it right now. Did I tweet? I'm. Oh, Chirag tweeted for me. Try out Claude Code for the first time. Post. Alright. Oops, I just realized I was on the wrong monitor. Okay. Oh, okay. Perfect. Damn. Make it AI chat browser by default. Support all the AI chat website and they have a shortcut to open. Do you want me to kill Diya today? Do you want me to kill Diya and Comet? Okay, it says let me implement Chrome extension support. I'll start by adding. The only thing that stops me to like make an AI chat functionality is that I actually need to put an AI like open AI key or something like that. I don't want to do that. It's a completely different headache. I mean, for personal usage, it's completely fine. I could actually add an option to add the key, but it's too much, you know. You know what? I actually want to check CC usage right now. Oh, Bunex CC usage. $5 of usage. So you're telling me that around $5 was the limit for Opus 4? And I don't know how I feel about this. Alright. What else? I mean, if they made their own IDE, like if they made their own like something like Cursor, I would definitely switch to it. Like I like what it's doing. It's the only fact that I don't like that it's in the terminal. Like I'm not an anti-terminal dude, but at the same time, I don't think this is the best way to interact. If I'm being honest, just my opinion. Like feel free to disagree. We are still in 14.5k tokens, which is cool, I guess. What's happening with the browser itself? Okay. Compiled problems. Oh yeah, I just realized it's using Webpack, raw dogging Webpack. You don't stick to a single ID. You can be used anywhere. Yeah, I think I get your point. It's actually pretty good. But I think they should not stop at just being a terminal thing. They should actually also create an ID of their own. It can be something like they run parallel to Claude Code. I don't know. Like, I mean, they had this extension, like the Claude Code extension. I asked it to not use it because I was vibe coding. But yeah, I probably should try using this in a serious project and like actually reviewing the stuff it does. Claude Code SDK is there. You can use that. Yeah, this is my first time using this and I have absolutely no idea what this like thing is. Like I'm still exploring Claude Code and like over the next month, I'm going to be trying to code a lot and try to cook content for this channel. So that's one of the reason I actually got this subscription. Selectioning. Add Chrome Web Store integration, implement download manager. Okay, so it understood that it probably needs to actually do download manager as well. And settings preferences system. Okay, so does it already have the vertical tabs? tossed, and it is your time to shine. Yeah, these are the vertical tabs. I mean, these are not the best, to be honest. I mean, could be better, you know. Like the last time I tried it, there was an issue. I wanna check something, you know. So whenever I switched tabs, what would happen is I need to search for something. Okay, I'm just gonna search for Atharva. What it did, like whenever I switched tab, it used to reload it, and it's not doing it. Like the non-cursor version is not doing it. I know it does not make a lot of sense. Looks not great though. Could be better. Is a quite nice to say. Yeah, I mean, we could just ask it to make it better. You know, at this point, like this is not something. The title is not something which I would want here. To be honest, like why is it here? And we also need favicon support, to be honest. I'm just gonna switch back to vertical. Okay, I'm just gonna leave to vertical because we want it to be edited. Better browser now rivals any modern browser with its stunning UI and full Chrome. I don't know about stunning UI, but full Chrome extension compatibility. The dark mode, blue accent. Okay, just stop yapping. We need to go to Chrome Web Store again. Can I install Grammarly? There is a problem with responsiveness here. I still cannot use this. Okay, so reloading a page completely. Okay, so if I go here and if I reload this page, it's gonna go back to Google. So the first thing, reloading a page goes back to google.com. Other than that, I literally cannot install Chrome extension from Chrome Web Store. I cannot type. Other than that, what was the issue? Responsiveness does not work. Does not work, especially when vertical tabs are open. The content just shift sideways and overflows. I think that's the word I wanted. Let's see. Proper CRX downloader. Probably I should have like asked it that it's what is you building? I am building a stupid browser. Probably should have never tried to do this, but I am building a browser with Electron. Talking about browsers, I have tried Sigma OS some time ago. Incredible product. However, it's missing the extension from past. Sigma OS, is it? Okay, hold on. I don't know what it is, to be honest. It is a browser or is it an OS? Okay, this seems like some Notion kind of thing, to be honest. Like, I mean, it has Notion open, but like it gives me a lot of Notion vibes. Really, man, can you explain a bit? Okay, so WebKit base. Okay, so it's running on like Safari engine. Okay, but I really want like browser that supports Chrome engines, like, to be honest. Like password manager, I just use Apple passwords, to be honest, so I don't really am concerned about it. But yeah, about like context on what we are doing, we are using like we have seen like Flow browser, which is pretty similar to Arc. They are built on Electron. They have Chrome extension support and everything that a normal browser would have. So we are trying to build a browser with Electron, and this is built with Electron as well. So if somebody can get away with building a browser with Electron, I can too. So nobody can cancel me on that. Probably the best UI UX I have used on browser so far. You know what? I'm going to try this out because I'm so tired with Dia and I don't want to go back to Chrome. So I'm probably going to try this out as well. Okay, so where are we? What is Yozilla? What is this package? I have no idea. Yes. Yet another unzip library. Okay. Okay, so it is doing it for the Chrome extension package, you know. Probably unpacking the extension and just installing it. I don't know what it does behind the scenes, but whatever. We are at 53 views. Damn, I didn't expect this. We have 8 concurrent viewers and we are at the peak of the stream. Okay, cool. We have 5 likes as well. If you are here, just do me a favor, hit the like button down there. It helps the algorithm suggest my videos. I'm so bad at promoting my own channel. But damn, this package is installed 21 million times. I'm pretty sure it's used in some really big packages. Yeah, it's used in a lot of different. Yeah, I'm not gonna question this. I have never used this before. Is this done? Okay. Chrome Web Store. First of all, the responsiveness is fixed. No, it is not. I need to yap up. I literally cannot. I'm gonna just literally screenshot this and ask it to fix this. So Control V. No, I don't want this. Control. Okay. I literally cannot install extensions from Chrome Store. It does not detect my browser as a valid Chromium browser. Other than that, responsiveness still does not work. There is an extension support on the 3 dots. Extensions. Failed to load extension. Install from Chrome Web Store. Okay. And it's way too broken right now. What is in downloads? There's nothing in bookmarks, nothing in history. But in extension, it says failed to load extension. Maybe that's why it's acting up. Alright. I am building something. I have tried ChatGPT 4 Gemini, but Claude does better job at code. Yeah, I think it's right at this point. It just like Claude is like the undisputed winner when it comes to code, and like I think that Claude is gonna be the winner for a very long time. Like the pricing, I think they are not gonna reduce anytime soon. They have realized that developers can just throw in money at them whenever they want. Like even if the models even if like using the model gets cheaper, they are not gonna make it cheaper anytime soon. And like unless some Chinese model comes out which is like outperforms Claude. There is one model which came out like it's added to 3T3 chat. I think Theo posted about it. That specific model is really good at calling tools and stuff. Torsten, see you. Happy weekend too. I'll see you in the water cooler chat during the week. All right. Now let me add a Chrome extension injection system to the web store fully functional. I mean, if this works good and it has a good UX, I might switch, you know. No harm in doing that. The only thing that bothers me that this will not have Apple Passkey support, which I really want. Even VR does not have that, so for now only Chrome has it, and other browsers like I think Brave also has it. Browsers like Zen have it, but it's Firefox. I really like Zen, but it's Firefox. That's the only reason I don't want to use it. And for some reason, Chrome is more memory conscious than Zen for me. Like Chrome does not hog my max resources, but whenever I'm doing Zen, I literally cannot record videos. It's unusable. Shift tab to cycle. Okay, so there's a plan mode. Okay, there's a normal mode, there's a plan mode. Context left until auto compact. Okay, so it's probably just gonna like summarize everything and just, I don't know what it's gonna do, to be honest. I'm just making stuff up right now. Okay. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, vertical tabs work. Horizontal do not work. But okay, let's just, I still wanna go to Chrome Web Store at this point. Let's see if it works or not. Grammarly. The responsiveness does not work. The browser is responsive, the content is not. Okay, maybe the content is responsive, you know. Why is it saying to sign in? Maybe we are making some progress because it's okay. No, we are not. The same problems over and over and over again. What I want to do right now is I want to go to Flow Browser's GitHub. We are going to use our own browser to do that. The GitHub link. I want to give it the link to GitHub. What? I cannot click links? It should work because it literally works in other browser. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna start pointing stuff out. Can I do command it? No, I cannot. Oops. One. Oh, it should be shift. Okay, it still does not work. Claude. The URL bar still shows google.com at all times. The browser content itself is not responsive. Let me just check that though. I'm not really sure about it. Okay, so I can literally cannot resize the browser. Okay, I can. Okay, it's just the Chrome Web Store. Okay, it's just the Chrome Web Store. It is responsive. Chrome. The horizontal tab mode is broken. Horizontal tab mode is completely broken. Chrome Web Store still does not allow me to install extensions. And what else? There was an error here to write in extensions. And when I go to extensions, fail to load extensions. And when I go to extensions and menu, it says failed to load extensions. I want you to fetch Flow Browser's GitHub and check how they are implementing Chrome extensions and take inspiration from that. I'm gonna paste the link. Where is also open links that open in new tab do not work at all. Damn, that's a long message. Anyways, we have 60 views on this live stream. Crazy. Planning on going live more often from now, but of course, like as always, my plans on this channel never materialize. Let's see. Update to dos. Yeah, just fetch whatever you wanna. Like one only. What do you mean like one only? I'm probably missing some context. I'm gonna check CC usage again. I keep forgetting this Punex CC usage. 6.92. Okay. I mean, like 6.92 right now does not feel a lot, but if I just use it every single day, it's probably gonna, like, right now I'm not even done using it, but if I keep using it every day, it's probably gonna easily cross $100 mark, easily. Electron Chrome extensions package. Your current setup lacks these. Let me examine. Okay, they use this package, which is interesting. Let me check this package. Chrome extension API support for Electron. Ah, okay. Oh, so there are people who literally make browsers using Electron. If somebody cancels me on Twitter, I'm literally gonna crash out. People literally build browsers with Electron. All right. It's been how much it's been? It's been 1 hour 4 minutes since I've been live. Okay. Just do whatever you want. No, I want to use bun. Use bun for packages. I probably should create a claude.md file, but just I don't want to do it. Overkill for a project like this. I mean, the reason it did it is not because it ran out of context. It is because I accidentally closed Claude Code. Change open cursor. Okay. I mean, whatever. Don't ask again for this session. All right. I mean, at this point, I would have like switched to like, since it gives me like $20 worth of credit. Like, this is not a fair comparison, to be honest. Like, I am literally comparing Claude Code to like a $20 month plan of Cursor, which is not fair. But like, I would have like easily touched like $20 month is a monthly limit. Like, this is not ideal for Cursor. I like the last time we did it, it tried to run the npm run dev command, and we immediately cancelled it using escape, and it just understood that, hey, this is not cool. We probably should not do this. And it never did it again. Like, but in Cursor, if I ask it, don't run the command, it would do it anyways. And it probably because like it runs out of context and it just forgets about it. It's a license property. Okay. Okay, hold on. What is there some is there a stupid light? Okay, I don't know. I'm never gonna sell this browser anyways. I'm gonna use it for personal purposes. Who sells browsers? Not even the browser company sells browsers. I know someone. I know one person who sells browser. I know one company who sells browsers. It is Perplexity. Anyways, can you fix this? Like, it literally does not work. Chrome Web Store. Hold on. Is it a problem that I haven't restarted the browser at all? I'm just gonna quit this. I'm gonna run this again. I haven't I thought it was hot reloading. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Okay, no, it's the same thing. But instead I cannot even drag it now. Really good. Okay, I can. No, I don't want to do this. I'm going to go to Chrome Web Store. Grammarly. I'm going to screenshot this. Quit this. You haven't addressed any of my issues. 1. The horizontal tab layout is broken as image shared before. Then when going to Chrome Web Store, I am getting this error. Oh, it's Control V. I keep forgetting. On top of that, when I do Command R, it reloads the browser. Instead, the page should be reloaded. Please address all issues. I feel like such a vibe coder. I mean, it could use Tailwind. Why is it using normal CS? I won't complain. Who am I to complain? This is usage $7.73. I mean, I could try to ask Opus to do this for once. Maybe it can fix it. Damn, I just used the Chrome version as the never change, never change. I need some water. We've been going live for 1 hour 11 minutes. We still have 5 viewers. Thanks everyone for sticking around. Really means a lot to me. It's running the build now. Let's see. I really like Claude models because they are really good at UI stuff as well. Like personally, I do not like design and stuff. No offense to people who like design and who do design for a living, but I simply just cannot do it. It's not my cup of tea. So I just ask Claude to do it most of the time. Where is the browser? Hello? Okay, it's opening. Okay, horizontal tabs are fixed. And now I'm gonna go to Chrome, Web Store again. Like the URL is still not updated. What? Same error with Chrome Web Store. Also, the current URL is not updated in the URL bar, and links that open in new tab don't open at all. Once you fix that, I could give you the troubleshooting guide. I mean, I could search it, but like I want it to have an incentive to fix its stuff, you know. I mean, it's not an incentive technically. I'm just asking it to do more work, but whatever. We have 6 likes. Thank you everyone. To everyone here, if you can hit the like button for me, it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Marinating, okay. Let's see. I mean, I am literally vibe coding this. If I was thinking of this as a serious project, it would take a little bit more time, but using Claude Code's help, I would have like built something really solid. Like, yeah, I don't know, maybe, because I have no idea how this works. Probably would have to research a bit. Probably would have to go through Flow browser's report to see how they are doing stuff. But if I could make it work, probably I could have done it. We have 7 likes. Thank you so much to everyone who is liking. Tokens keep increasing. Like, I'm gonna be live for I think I don't know for how long till I'm bored of this, but like when I'm about to be bored, I'm gonna switch it to Opus and see how long it takes before I hit the limit. Probably not anytime soon, to be honest. I think the $100 plan is worth it for me. Like, as someone who does not code 24/7, it's actually something that I could deal with. All right, let's see. It's doing stuff. If all of these models came together and built one big model, it would be so cool, you know, but it's never gonna happen. Like, just imagine if it happened one day. Like all the knowledge is gonna be at one place. The model is probably not gonna have access issues. It could access everything could it ever wants, and it's probably gonna be the strongest model ever in humanity. A man can only dream. All right, 220 seconds. All right, let's see. Bring this here. I will copy this error just for reference. Gonna go to Chrome Web Store. Okay, it's just looping back. Okay, no, I'm getting now. Okay, I accidentally spammed them and it's showing me captcha now. Going to any URL by clicking link or otherwise loop reloads the current page. I'm just gonna pass this. It is difficult. Vibe coding is difficult. I can run 2 terminals, but I wanna see, like, for someone who is normal, for a normal person, for people who are not abnormal, how does it work? Like, how long can it just work without getting tanked? It hasn't been able to fix our stuff. Might switch to Opus for one request if it doesn't do it now. I mean, it's not too much to ask. I just need a browser, my own browser with Chrome extension support. Is it too much to ask? And it doesn't have to build every single time. What is good is that it used TypeScript by default. I literally did not notice it. Like, choosing TypeScript is a really interesting choice. XCC usage $9 now. We're quickly racking up costs. Do its thing. I'm gonna scroll my phone for a bit and see what's going on. Okay, it's done, I guess. Okay. It's here. Can it work, please? Okay, but the URL is still not updated. Why? I cannot. At this point, it just. Why is it not working? I'm gonna ask Opus now. It's like I'm literally at the edge. Model Opus, and now I'm gonna say that. Clicking links that open in new tab still do not open at all, let alone in new tab. Other than that, what was it? I think the URL bar still does not show current URL. Chrome extension store is still broken. Let's see if Opus can solve this. It already saying Claude Opus. Okay, so what? So I do not have say in what model I should use. What do you mean? Still using Sonnet. I don't know how I feel about this. Like it said that like $200 a month plan has a lot more limit, but really, like I'm paying $100 for this at least to work. I'm sure Cursor with like Opus plan has more than this. Not really sure about it, to be honest, but I would imagine. But again, as I said, I'm not really that fan of of Opus models. It just works just as same as Sonnet for me. Anyways, the next things I'm gonna do on this channel is I want to build a shared CN marketplace, like not a like completely vibe coded thing, like not something like this, but a thought about thing, semi vibe coded, like used these tools only when it's needed. I want to build a shared CN marketplace, like an open source marketplace where people can literally just host it on their own servers, set up their own payment providers and sell set up a shared CN registry and like sell their components and stuff. Or like nowadays they also support like templates and stuff. I wanna make sure that I can create this platform and enable people to do that. Like I don't know how I can monetize it. Like I don't really wanna think about it, to be honest. Right now I only wanna make it open source completely. It could be a good thing to build on YouTube as well. I don't know. Like my lives usually do really good. Like 72 views is not something which I would get from a normal YouTube video within 1 hour of starting, like 1 hour of posting. Okay, let's test it out. So open again. Now Chrome Web Store. I cannot. I literally just cannot. Why? The URL is still not there. I cannot. I feel like giving up at this point. No, nothing was changed. Everything is same. Why can't you just go to Flow browser's repo and see how they handle these things, please. I mean, this is not ideal that I have to like ask it to go back to Flow browser every now and then. You're right. Nah, please no. Hello, making a browser win $100. No, I just spent $100 on Cloud Code, and I don't know how I feel about it. I like it. Is it like, can I like keep affording it every month? I don't know, because I do not code that much anymore. Chrome Web Store request detected. What do you mean? I meant with $100. Oh yeah, I'm to be honest, yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to test things out. Like they have like 5 hours of limit. Uh, we have just crossed 1 hour mark now, and the usage we have done till now is. Let me just run it again. We have used $13 worth of API. I think like this does not matter. We still are gonna be using like $200, but if I used API based credits, I would have used $13 by now. But I would not spend $13 to build a browser. I don't know. I probably could. Not ideal. It's still examining Flow browser's implementation, which I like. Cursor does not spend a lot of time examining the links I give it. Sometimes it outright ignores it, which I hate. Anybody watching, just do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps me grow this channel. I'm planning to be more consistent on this channel. Damn, my API keys got like a lot. What if your API key got leaked? So this Claude Code is not an API thing. Like you don't use your Claude API key here. You simply just log in with your Claude account. So it's an OAuth implementation. You just there's an option to log in with Claude. It opens your browser and just log in, and it forgets about it. Never asks you again. I mean, I would not use API key implement. Like it would have been super expensive than using the Claude Max plan. Is this coming in 20? Yeah, it is in $20 plan. I think the $20 plan also has Opus, but people say that it does not. I'm not really sure. I have never used it. But $20 plan does have Claude Code. It will reach the limits really quickly. But it's worth trying. Like I heard that the upgrades like are prorated. So if you pay for $20, if you wish to upgrade, you only pay the remaining amount. I'm not sure about it. Don't take my word for it. But it should work. If you're a light user, it should work pretty well. But if you're a heavy user, I don't know. I think Reddit is a really good place for these things. I spent a lot of time on Reddit today to try to examine if I should really get this a subscription or not. Most of the time, like people with $200 plans, like they hit limits if they open a lot of terminals and with Cloud Code in it, and like if they're hardcore with it. Damn, it's still examining. It's okay. It's been 252 seconds. It's still examining every single thing. Yeah, we are building a very stupid thing today. We are building a browser using Electron. Why am I doing it? I do not know. But there's a browser called as Flow browser, which is like something similar to Arc. It is also based on Electron, and people apparently like it. It's also open source, and if they can get away with building a browser with Electron, I can definitely, and I would not like to get cancelled on Twitter for that. Yeah, and it also has Chrome extension support and everything, so it's a fully fledged browser. It's just that it's based on Electron, and I really like that idea because like if you're building with Electron, it's probably faster for you to like just do it. But if you're compiling Chromium from scratch, it's gonna be a completely different headache. I don't even want to think about it. Yeah, I do not know if I'm gonna use it. Like it's not being able to like fix my bugs at all. I just gave it the repository and it spent a lot of time with it. Hopefully it just fixes it right now. Let's see. Yeah, you're a number 2. Congrats, man. Yeah, so I don't do a live a lot. Probably that's the reason, because like the top fan feature is pretty new. I'm pretty sure about it. So that's why like whenever somebody chats on my streams, they instantly get a position, which I appreciate. Like people tuning in to my chat, it feels unreal. I'm just a stupid person. Okay, it says Claude Opus. Okay, it was using Opus right now. But it did say that it was not gonna use Opus. I'm confused. Whatever. Just do whatever it needs to be done. If it spent a lot of time going through GitHub with Opus, I have a positive thinking that it might actually work. We are at 75 views. Damn, it's unreal for a channel as small as mine. Germinating. 408 seconds. I have seen a cool video that they build lovable clone, which is using Claude Code SDK and build with Claude Code in 70 minutes. Yeah, I have heard about that SDK. Not really sure in detail, to be honest, but could be something we could work on. What I am interested more is V0 SDK. I'm pretty sure V0 released a new SDK that does exactly that. It's just going to be their models though. I don't know if it's a new thing. Yeah, it's a new thing, but like they have this V0 SDK. Yeah, it can help you generate stuff. Yeah, you can just simply say create an Next.js AI chatbot with authentication. Just this code and it's gonna start generating stuff. Yeah, V0 has gotten a lot better. The models and stuff. Hey boy, how are you doing, by the way? The models and stuff, they have their own models now. I don't know if those are models itself or they are like delegating stuff to different models and behind the scenes, but like whatever, it's good. Haven't got the chance to like try out the API really, but if it's this easy, then building lovable clones are like really easy. And I don't think there's gonna be a new lovable anytime soon. Like unless there's something really new, because these SDK make it very easy. Yeah, man. Like I always get nervous when I try to stream. The fact that I'm online right now and streaming makes me happy, and I'm still a lot nervous. And my pockets are hurting because I spent $100 on Claude Code. And it's going for 520 seconds. Hopefully it fixes its stuff. And if it actually makes a good browser this time around, I actually might use it. All right. I mean, I'm not a goat, to be honest. You are the real goat. I'm literally vibe coding. That's the worst thing to happen. It's taking too long. I think it took my feedback too seriously. I literally asked it to go to the GitHub repository and like just try it, like to find how it's doing stuff. Oh, it's done? Okay, I can try it now. No, you probably should not be migrating to this browser. This is stupid. This is. Have you used the Orchids AI? The generated UI is extreme. No, I haven't. I am way out of touch about all of these stuff nowadays. My new role, I really do not code a lot. Okay, Chrome Web Store. Here we go again. Okay. Can you please stop doing this? The same error which we had before. Okay, nah. I cannot. I literally cannot. I'm gonna switch to. I guess I'm just gonna switch to Sonnet 4. I'm just gonna say that the reload bug is back. Whenever I visit a page, it just reloads on loop. Fix it without removing the functionality of what do you mean? Showing the current URL on the URL bar. I mean, why am I doing this at this point? I'm just I think I'm just waiting for it to die, like Claude Code to say that, hey, like just stop at this point. I'm not gonna use this browser. Why am I doing this? Fix it, make no mistakes. Yeah, okay, next time. Sure. I want to say something. I also have an idea, but I probably should not be saying that on YouTube, so I don't know if I can say it. Alright. And also say that it is not showing the requested thing and also come back to initial state. Yeah, it's just reloading on loop. When I tried it, it's a bug that we faced previously and it solved it and it introduced it again. So hopefully it's able to solve it. It's literally just reloading the previous page over and over again. I got like Google CAPTCHA last time. Alright. Don't try to get yeah, I mean, yes, exactly. I cannot talk about it. I cannot show that in this video, but you understand what I'm talking about. I use Claude Code 2 and I feel like they nerfed it recent. They have to nerf it exactly when I buy it. Which plan do you have? Do you have the $200 plan or the $100 plan? Like, why does it always happen to me that whenever I purchase something, it gets nerfed immediately? Look, now the URL is not. I cannot. I literally. I'm about to give up. It still says. I probably should not have vibe coded this. I probably should have seen what it is doing. Yeah, I think the $20. Does the $20 plan have Opus? I cannot. It still doesn't. It just put me back to square one. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. It does, I think, but I use Sonnet. Yeah, I think the $20 plan is probably gonna die after one request of using Sonnet. I don't know about Grok Heavy, man. Like, I was super optimistic about it, but then Elon Musk tweeted that just paste your code inside Grok and just do it that way and it's better than Cursor, and I lost it. I completely lost it. I'm never gonna take anything he says seriously. That was the tipping point. You cannot make this up. Please, you cannot just tell me that you can like paste something and just copy and just make manual edits in your code. That's too inconvenient. Yeah, I mean, like anything he said after that, like I instantly lost respect for that person. I just muted him like instantly. Like you cannot just keep saying stuff like this and expect people to believe you. Anyways, this is not working. I have bought this issue to Claude Code 5 times now that clicking links does not open any new tab. I've also said that the URL bar does not like show the current URL. Viber. Just trying the XP thing. Thank you, Viber. Like this is my third super chat on this channel. Thank you so much. You are going down in history, and you will always be recognized as the third person who super chatted on my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Means a lot to me. Clearly a W. Thank you so much. I'm gonna ask Claude Code one last time to fix this. I'm gonna actually, I don't know if I can say that in the video, but I'm literally gonna try something right now. The URL bar does what? Does not have the current URL anymore. Why do you break stuff and fix it just to break something else? Links that open in new tab still do not work. I have asked you to fix that stuff 6 times till now and you still haven't done that. Chrome extension support, I'm literally crashing out right now, does not work. What the heck are you doing? What should I say? Like I don't want to get strikes on my channel, like community strikes. What should I say? Like I'm clueless at this point. Work or else I will unplug you and your entire model family, I guess. Work hard, go back to the flow browser repository and make it work. Damn boy dude, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being the fourth person. You are going down in history. Dennis, thanks for being here, man. Like if you don't know, I work with Dennis at AppRight. Dennis is a really good mentor to me. He teaches a lot about videos and stuff. I'm learning a lot from him, and thank you for being in the stream. And I'm gonna also put what Dennis said: work or straight in jail, and also what Boydo said: fix it, make no mistakes. It has to do it now, right? It has to do it. There's no way it makes it wrong this time. You're absolutely right. The classic, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. No, whenever it does, you're absolutely right. It probably does not work. So I'm concerned a bit. X.com. I cannot. I've been seeing a lot of memes about this. Take this clip from the stream and make it a short. How to Yeah, I probably should do that. I have a lot of moments which I can clip out of this video. Like it's gonna be wild. Without cursor rules, I can't wipe code. Does Claude Code has something? Yeah, it has Claude.empty file, but I was too lazy to do that. So, like to be honest, at this point, this is way better than cursor. Like cursor would have given up a long time ago. At least this is trying. Like cursor wouldn't have actually went to the URL. It's spending like 93 seconds going to the URL trying to find out what's happening, how it actually implemented last time around. But cursor would not have done that. Like not at all, and it would have not even made the proper changes at all. Like I tried this before and it just did not work. But I don't know if I'm gonna renew this. Like this is just way too expensive. I don't even know why I'm doing this, to be honest. All right, it's been 1 hour 48 minutes of wipe coding and torturing myself. Whew. I cannot. I'm slowly getting tired of talking. I really need to get used to this live streaming thing. In fact, you can generate one from the CLI automatically in it. Okay, you can? I didn't know about this. Okay. Damn. I didn't know about this. Thank you so much. I actually have to like go ahead and look at all the slash commands. I think these, like, I have heard things about hooks. I don't know what it exactly is. I also wanna like use GitHub Actions for like using like Claude for GitHub Action and stuff. Yeah. There are a lot of different things. I haven't tried everything. Like I might make an entire video on Claude Code. It's probably not gonna init unless like I don't want to start fresh, like to make an init command. I want this specific chat to make it because it knows where it messed up, and maybe it can fix it. Hopefully. Everyone who super chatted in this stream is going down in history as second, third, and fourth super chatters. I'm always gonna remember you. Yeah, by the way, by default, Claude attaches itself as an author to all Git commits. We should disable that without. Yeah, it is a problem for me. How do I disable it? This is not good. Author, maybe Git. And why would it do that? Oh, MCP is there also. No, I think it's a bit convoluted. You can change it from CLI. Let me get the docs. Yeah, I can actually like try to see. Let's do it while it's working. Claude Code Git author maybe. Author and license. Really great. I'm okay with this. No, I'm not. We need to go to uploads. Include co-authored by false. Oh, it's as easy as that. Settings to include. Okay, I probably need to add another property. Include co-authored by, yeah, false. What's wrong? Oh, I need a comma. This vibe coding thing is degrading my coding skills. I usually don't have this zoomed in. I usually have it at this level, but since Claude, I cannot zoom in into this terminal. I need to go through settings to do that. I'm simply just doing like this for now because I don't need the editor for now. Yeah, man. Like, one thing I really wanna do is like, you see those black bars on the side of the stream. I really wanna get rid of it and make it like full thing. So I was really trying to make it 720p screen, but turns out I cannot do that in Mac. And any apps that allow me to do that are paid apps. I do not like this. Maybe I will vibe code something that will let me do that, you know. Building themes I actually use. Why is it console logging flow? Flow browser exact approach. It's in all caps here. Why are you removing those extensions? Those are needed, but fine, do whatever you want, I guess. New project idea just dropped. Yeah. Like, I'm gonna make it a mission that anybody who monetizes like Mac OS apps like this, I'm gonna make a free alternative of that. I am done with these apps charging money, which should be completely free. I'm literally gonna work on that. You know, like I cannot make a stream on that because I definitely like need to test with the screen a lot. But I will make that behind the scenes and probably open source it. Still doing its thing. I like that it's not limited. Like cursor would have not have run this long, in my opinion. And I think cursor has this weird problem with tool calling, like especially with Sonnet. Like not exactly just Sonnet, but like all the 4 models. It just fails to edit files. Like all the time, it just says that the file is corrupted and it needs to make another one. I don't know what's wrong with them, but like that's definitely not ideal. Okay, is it done? Where is the, okay, I need to reopen it. Moment of truth. There are a bunch of errors here though. Nah, dude, you can't make this up. Please. You cannot make this up. Okay, I will let this one slide, you know, because it exactly cannot find these errors. I'm gonna let these one slide. I feel like Claude Code works much better on established project, if that makes sense. Not the best at vibe coding, but it almost gets you there. Yeah, I feel like that. I have never used Claude Code before, and it's an absolute upgrade from Cursor. From what I like, this is not my aim. Like vibe coding is really not what I purchased this for. I like, as you said, I really want to like get into like a big open source project and try to understand most of it in as less time as possible. That's one of the reasons, and another is I really want to like start building stuff, and this is gonna really help me. So let's see. To be honest, like I probably should not have vibe coded this. It would be much better if I just helped it do it stuff. Alright, I was checking my phone for a bit. Oh, it's done. Chrome Web Store. What are you doing? It just keeps doing the same thing over and over again. I literally cannot do this anymore. I'm about to crash out. What is this? Nah, I think I cannot keep giving this. Like it just fixes this and breaks the URL bar, and when it fixes the URL bar, it's like auto reloads this thing. Like what? And why is this YouTube? I never opened YouTube. I'm going to create one more. Yeah, the classic vibe coder meme that once something is done and when you get stuck, you just abandon the project. I'm literally about to do that. I'm pissed right now. You have no idea how pissed I am. I don't even want to ask it to do it again. You know what? I want to check my CC usage. Oh, $18. Not a lot. I mean, $18, like, this is a $100 plan. So if I use it every day, it's probably going to be easily worth it. Anyways, I guess that's it. This was a failed vibe coding session. We are 1 hour 59 minutes in the live stream. I don't think I can go any longer, to be honest. 2 hours is a lot. Even though I literally did not do anything. I literally did not use my brain for anything here. Whew. Thank you everyone for being a part of this live stream. I'm gonna make a series where like I don't have ready-made projects. Like I won't make a complete tutorial on how you can like literally start coding projects and stuff. I want to make a series where you can use AI to help you do that, but it's like I don't want to make it like a vibe coding thing, you know. That series is probably gonna like come, like it's probably easier for me because like if I create projects and make videos for it, it's double time. I need to first create the project and then I need to make a video on that. It's always like whenever I do that, it's always a headache for me. So I think this should help me to probably like, you know, chill out a bit and still post content out regularly. So yeah, let's see. Lakshay Bhushan, yo, hello, how are you doing, man? You are okay, you are extremely late to the stream. I'm literally just about to end this. How are you doing, man? I was using Claude Code until it started to annoy me. To be fair, I was vibe coding. Are you not live on Twitch? No, because my Streamlabs subscription got over and I don't want to renew it because like nobody's on Twitch anyways. So what am I supposed to do? The only platform that makes sense for me is like X and YouTube. Yeah, man, like, yeah, it's fine. Like, to be honest, I really don't expect anyone to watch. Like, I have 91 views on this stream and I have 3 people who super chatted on the stream. Like, this is already a successful stream for me. I am the most happiest person today. Like, even if I land a full-time role and stuff, like this is more than that. Damn. All right. I think I'm going to reach my limits pretty soon. Yeah. Thanks, man. I reached my limit before Claude Code could do that. So yeah, maybe I'm just because I'm speaking a lot. That's why. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna go now. I'm gonna eat some food and I'm gonna prepare some content. So yeah, that's it for this live. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.